Welcome to Action Camera Journey. Today, we're unboxing and installing the premium lens guards for the Insta360 X5. Here's the box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First, we get a cleaning cloth. And here are the two premium lens guards. Before installing, make sure to clean the camera lenses. This step is very important to avoid any dust or fingerprints. Now let's install the first lens guard. It clicks in very easily and fits perfectly. And here goes the second one. Both sides are now protected. This is how the camera looks with the guards attached, much safer and ready for action. When you turn on the camera, if you see the orange indicator, that means the premium lens guards are recognized and working properly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more action camera tips. See you in the next video.